Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Looker Studio for tracking no-code app metrics step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Looker Studio website. Click on the Sign Up button located on the home page. If you already have a Google account, select the option to sign in using your Google credentials. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create an account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Look for the Create New Report button and click on it. A pop-up will appear prompting you to choose a data source. Select the App Metrics data source you want to use for tracking. If your App Metrics data source is not listed, click on Connect to Data to add it. Follow the instructions to connect your desired data source. After successfully connecting, choose the relevant metrics to track. Drag and drop the chosen metrics into your report canvas. Customize the report by adding charts or tables that best represent your data. Make sure to adjust the dimensions and filters according to your needs. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Choose the sharing settings that suit your requirements, such as shareable link or specific email invitations. After finalizing your sharing options, select Done to save your report. Your Looker Studio report is now set up for tracking your no-code app metrics. You can revisit and update it as needed to reflect any changes in your app's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.